Hello everyone. Let's discuss some of the important functions today. The first function which I am planning to discuss is modulus function or absolute function. Now these functions are called as real valued functions because their domain and codomain are real numbers. So when it's said that a real valued function, that means the domain and codomain are real numbers. A modulus function is a real valued function if f of x is equal to modulus of x. This is the symbol we write modulus, and it's defined as x when x is greater than 0, 0 when x is equal to 0, and minus x when x is less than 0. What does it mean? If x is greater than 0, it is x. That is greater than 0. Modulus of 2 is 2. Modulus of 5 is 5. Modulus of 1.8 is 1.8. For x greater than 0, it's x. If x is 0, modulus of 0 is 0. If x is less than 0, say modulus of minus 1, it is minus of minus 1, which is 1. That is, it's not necessary that minus x is negative. Minus x is positive because x is negative. So, modulus of minus 5 would be minus of minus 5, which is 5. Minus x is positive because x is negative. That means for the modulus function, if x is positive, y is positive. If x is negative, again y is positive. That is, the graph will run in first and second quadrant. Y is always positive. F of x is y. Right? So y is always positive. That means the graph would go in first and second quadrant. For x0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 2. When x is minus 1, y is again 1. When x is minus 2, y is 2. And you get the graph of the modulus function to be like this, which is y equal to modulus of x, where the domain is real number, codomain is also real number. Codomain is value of the image, that's also a real number, and range, which is the image. If you see, range is value of y, and y is always positive, y will never become negative, and therefore we define the range as 0 to infinity. 0 closed because 0 included. Image of 0 is 0, and that's the range. That is about the modulus function or absolute function. Now codomain I have taken as R, right, because it's a real valued function, and then range is 0 to infinity. Understand that codomain and range are not same here, but range is always a subset of codomain. That's about the modulus function or absolute function, right? I am planning to discuss one more kind of function, which is called as the greatest integer function. As the words say, greatest integer. So, the second function which we are going to discuss is greatest integer function. It's also called as box function. Like the modulus function is also called as absolute function, this is called as a box function. Box function is denoted as this. That's also a real valued function, so domain is R, codomain is R. Box function is defined as the integer, greatest integer less than or equal to. Means what? See, the number line is the best help tool for us. So we have, suppose I have 0.7 or 0.4 here. There are infinite integers less than 0.4. The greatest amongst that is 0. So greatest integer of 0.4 is 0. Understand the function. Suppose I have 0.999, very close to 1. Again there are infinite integers less than 0.999. There are 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Greatest amongst that is 0. If I have 1, this is 1. Greatest integer less than or equal to. Now 1 is equal to 1, so it's 1. Integer image is integer. Now if I have 3.79, this 3.79 will fall somewhere here. There are infinite integers less than that, greatest amongst that, so 3. Now let's go to some negative numbers. Suppose I have, say, minus 0.58. There are so many integers less than minus 0.58. Greatest amongst that is minus 1. So minus 0.58's image is minus 1. Say I have minus 1.5. It's here. Greatest integer function for minus 1.5 is minus 2. If I take, say, minus 6.7, minus 6.7 will be between minus 6 and minus 7. Greatest integer less than or equal to that will be minus 7. Understand and imagine the number line. Draw the number line whenever you need help. Greatest integer function of minus 10 would be minus 10. That is, if I draw the graph for this function, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. For all numbers between 0 to 1, 1 not included, the image is 0. So 0 to 1, the image is 0. At 1 it's open because 1's image is not 0. When x becomes 1, y becomes 1. Till 1 to 2, it's 2. Open because image of 2, when x becomes 2, y becomes 2 and then 3 and then 3 to 4, image is 3, 4 open. Coming to the negative numbers now. All numbers from minus 1, 0 to minus 1, image would be minus 1 and it's open. When it becomes minus 1 to 2, minus 2, yes, this is x is 0, y is minus 1. Then when x is minus 2, its image is minus 2. So it's included. But when x becomes minus 1, its image is minus 1. But suppose x becomes 0, its image is 0. Therefore, this is a hollow circle. And for 0, it is this. That's the graph of the greatest integer function, which goes in stepwise manner. Understand again. Suppose x is between this, minus 2 to minus 3, right? When x is minus 3, its image is minus 3. Just before minus 2, it stops. When x is minus 2, its image is minus 2. If I decide domain and range, domain of this greatest integer function is R, codomain also R, and range is all integers are images, and that is Z. Right? It is the integer set of integers which is the range. That is again codomain and range are not same here. Right? It's a real value function. This is a graph of greatest integer function, which is also called as box function. It's defined as greatest integer less than or equal to. That is, in today's video we have discussed two very important kinds of functions. First was modulus function, and the simple meaning of modulus which you can keep in your mind is distance from 0. Now when you say distance, it cannot be negative, right? So modulus or absolute value is nothing but distance from 0, and that is why we had modulus of minus 7 as 7 and modulus of 7 also as 7. The next function which we discussed was greatest integer function or box function, and this is a graph and domain, codomain and range, right? Understand these two key functions, right? Thank you.